Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we'll be seeing data frames in Python. So what are data frames? Data frames are the data stored in the form of two dimensions, that is rows and columns. If you have huge number of rows and columns, it will be easier to access it in a single glance. Okay, so now for instance just take example, we are taking two dictionaries. One is marks and another one is grades. In the last video we have seen in detail how to form the dictionaries. Now it is having two values, that is value and key and value pair. Okay, so A is having value 85, B is having A minus 80, B is 70, B minus is 70, B is 75, B minus is 70, and C is 65. Now one more dictionary grades. It is having values A equals to 4, A minus 3.5, B 3, B minus 2.5, C equals to 2. Now here you can notice we have one thing in common, that is the grades, that is A, B, A minus, B, B minus, and C. And the values in marks are different and values in grades are different. These are in the form of the numbers from 1 to 10, and these are in the form of maybe 1 to 5, and these are in the form of the numbers 1 to 100. Now let us see how to create a data frame. Now just we are storing the data frame created in variable d equals to pd, that is pandas dot data frames, and the first key is marks and we are assigning value marks. Okay, this marks dictionary we are assigning it, and next grades we are assigning value of grades dictionary. Now after doing this you are forming a data frame with 3 columns and 6 rows. Okay, so let us see how it is. A minus, B minus, C. Now what all are the regarding marks of A, okay, and grades will be displayed in the form of data frame. So this was about creating data frames in pandas. Thank you.